Hey guys, welcome back to Family Life. I'm Natalie.
I'm Philip.
And that's Gypsy. And we're back for another K-pop reaction video. This time we have...
Gfriend Summer Rain.
Yay, excited because we had, what was it, Love Whisper?
Yes.
Just a little over a month ago.
Yeah, about a month and a half ago.
So I'm really surprised that they're back again so soon.
Yeah, this is from the repackaged, so this is like basically Gfriend repackaged, new songs, awesomeness. Let's do this.
Let's do this.
Oh wow.
It's raining.
Summer rain.
Yeah.
So pretty.
I think her bob's getting a little longer.
Yeah.
Ooh. It's like a
Piano.
fleur-de-lis or something, kind of like that.
Oh, she's just gonna let it rain on that.
Yeah. It's like the goblin look right there.
Yeah.
With the wall and
The slowing down the rain.
And I like how the music just picked up.
When he starts.
I was really thought it was gonna be slow. I like her little baby doll like dress. So far, they really oh gee.
Oh,
You do.
I like the hair color.
Right. Yeah, it's not jet black.
She's just
yeah.
sad.
Which is rare. You never see near and sad. So on. Hey, a phone booth. Where'd that come from? Those still exist.
Maybe this is in the past.
Yeah, really, it's like the classical piano in the
Oh
background.
wow, so pretty.
Well, someone is very pretty.
True that.
Shouldn't be. Those clear umbrellas. It's like you have a clear umbrella if you're like really pretty and you want good lighting. So you want to make sure people still see you when it's raining.
I do like the fact that someone did so much more lines.
Yes. It's very cinematic.
Yeah, I'm joking. I think everyone's gonna feel the rain at one point.
Right.
The emotion.
Just gonna touch it. They're all like super melancholy.
Yeah. Urine and stuffed animals.
Yes. She has a fascination with them. And sometimes she likes to beat them up. The breakdown. And it's funny, it's like a Gfriend breakdown, but there's no guitar. It's the piano instead of guitar.
Here comes the friend.
Oh, she looks so pretty right there. She's dropping. Maybe it's not the friend. Who is it? What is it? Oh no.
Oh, maybe she's seen dude, but dude has a
Girlfriend or something. Oh, that sad face. And here comes the rain because of it.
I hear you, dude.
Uh-huh. Oh, she looks so sad. And so on, so pretty. Wait, not all of the umbrellas have flowers on it.
I think so.
No. There's no way.
Everyone's getting their acting on.
Oh, flowers in the rain.
I'm just gonna.
And it's just rain on me.
But yeah, she definitely saw something she didn't like.
Aw, look at sad eyes too. They're getting their acting on.
Oh,
And then the set.
that's the piano that was on the outro of Love Whisper.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh.
So they were teasing the repackage when they dropped Love Whisper.
Interesting. Very clever.
So they were always planned for a repackage.
I like how they're like subtle smiles now. Like, I don't know if it's remembering or just the hope for tomorrow. That was corny AF.
But yeah.
In the boat.
So
Didn't they have a boat in Love Whisper?
I think so.
But I don't think it was
So
red.
that's the meaning of the. Remember we heard the piano at
Yeah.
the end of Love Whisper? We're like, what is that for? What is that teasing? So
It was teasing the next song. You know, I was really taken back when the song geez, can I talk? It first started because I expected it to be slow.
Yeah.
Because like with the teaser and it starts off with the piano, so I'm thinking like it's gonna be like a slow emotional. But then it like picked up and I was like, oh, this is like a mid tempo, almost like fast song.
Yeah.
So I was not expecting that, but I really liked the cinematography of the video. It was just a very beautiful, well shot video.
Yeah, you can tell that they paid for some serious camera lens on those ones.
And I told you it was giving me some Goblin vibes with the rain falling and just the overall lighting and everything. I really was feeling Goblin.
Like, I was thinking the same thing. I was thinking it was going to be more of a ballad as well, from judging from the teasers and the images, and the fact that they had a pretty fast song with Love Whisper. And I felt like this one was a little bit slower, but it was still kind of up tempo, which I think is pretty good. Yeah. The one thing I will say is though, like, I'm still dying for like another rough. Yeah. Like, I feel like Love Whisper was nice, and Summer Rain's nice, but we haven't had a rough in a minute. Right. And I feel like Gfriend kills the rough, the slower concepts really, really well. Yeah. So. And because that.
You never know. Since it's a repackage, maybe we'll have to listen to the new songs that are on the album to see maybe they gave us something like that on the album.
Definitely. Guys, what was your feelings about Gfriend's very, very fast comeback? Are you happy as we are that they're back? Also, we didn't get any much comments on the last time we said this, so I'm just going to put it out there again. What's your feelings about Gfriend doing a complete 180 and changing their concept back to the Gfriend
old school Gfriend, yeah. They totally turned around when they did Fingertip and did something. I said I can't talk today. Fingertip and did something different, which I liked, but I was kind of yearning for my old school Gfriend a little bit too. And then like they did 180 and went right back to the old school style. So what are your thoughts about it? Which one do you prefer? Do you prefer the more mature, upbeat Fingertip style, or their old school girl next door? Yes, matching uniforms, looks, and sounds. Which one do you prefer?
Yeah, definitely leave that in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like this video, share with all your friends, and subscribe.
Also, you can check us out on all our social media. Find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all at PhamilyLife or Family_Life.
And we'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye. Subscribe.